Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a bit of a first impression unboxing. It's with the Nude by Nature Autumn Makeup Kit. Now I believe I just checked their website and it looks as though they've actually sold out of these particular packs. You can buy most of these products individually, so if you see anything you like, I will link them individually down below. And I know Nourished Life still has some packs. I'm not sure if it's exactly this one, but they have a few different packs available in their online store as well. So I'll leave links to everything that I can down below to help you out. Otherwise, I'm going to jump straight into this big box of goodies and just play around with some makeup with you guys. I haven't sort of done a makeup look in a while, so really looking forward to this. I'm just going to go through what's in here first. We've got the Essential Collection brush set. So this has a kabuki brush, a powder brush, a concealer brush, eyeshadow brush, eye blending brush, definer brush, and a lip brush. And it comes in a really cute bag. This is perfect size for travel. It's got all of your essentials in it. So I look forward to trying these brushes out. I've heard really good things about them. I've wanted to try their brushes for quite a while because I know they've come out with some new sets and new products recently, so looking forward to that. I have one of their natural mineral cover foundations. This one's in the shade light to medium, so hopefully that will be the right shade for me. I have the Cashmere pressed blush, some primer, we have a mascara, and we have lip gloss, highlighter, yes please, I love highlighter. And what is this? An eyeliner. So just gonna jump straight in and do a makeup look, have a play around and just see what I can come up with. Okay, I'm going in with the Airbrush Mineral Primer. This is supposed to smooth skin, help create an even luminous base. It's also supposed to help fight the visible signs of aging while helping to extend makeup wear. Got Kakadu Plum, which is very rich in vitamin C, vitamin A, E, and green tea. So I'm just going to use my fingertips to apply this. It's quite a good size too. Some primers are like tiny. Oh, it absorbs really quickly. It smells really nice, but it's not, it's definitely not too strong. I'm just going to pat that into my chin. Oh, yummy. It smells really good. And I get really large pores just around here. Whatever's left, I'm just going to dab lightly under my eyes. Oh, I like this. Just going to give it a second to settle in. It hasn't made me look oily and it's just, my skin has just soaked it up so quickly. It doesn't feel tacky or anything. Oh, I really like this. Good size product, natural, smells good, and it feels really nice on the skin. I think I have a new favorite primer. I'm kind of cheating a little bit because I do have a couple of Nude by Nature products already and there's no concealer in this particular pack. So because I'll be using a powder mineral foundation, I'm going in with my concealer first. This is the Flawless Concealer 04 in Rose Beige. And this is just their cream stick concealer. And I'm taking the concealer brush that comes in the pack. I'm just going to pop that under my eyes. I'm not going to do anything too intense because the pack looks quite natural. Just covering my dark circles. This brush is so soft, really, really soft. So I'm taking the Natural Mineral Cover in light to medium and their kabuki brush. This is the first mineral or natural makeup that I tried. I still remember when it first came out and this was all that they had in their range was the mineral foundation. And I think they had that lady off of Home and Away as their like spokesperson. Oh my goodness, this is so soft. So light. It feels like nothing on the skin. It doesn't drag at all. I actually can't even describe how soft this is. And I'm just patting it onto the chin area because I need a bit more coverage there at the moment. To give me a little bit more coverage on any like spots and under my eyes, I'm actually taking their large eyeshadow brush and a little bit more mineral cover. And I'm just patting that where I need it. You don't want to go too far out here with too much powder, because if you're getting old like me, powder is not your friend out in this area, but in here it's fine. This type of foundation is great for anyone, but I particularly like to recommend this for beginners because it's easy to color match and it's very forgiving. It's just easier to blend out and blend away if you need to. Very easy to build up as well. So it's great for beginners, teenagers. And I love this type of foundation because it feels like you have nothing on your face. It's great. Nude by Nature also have a mineral finishing veil powder, which is great to put under your eyes if you have, you know, done a dramatic concealer look, or if you are very oily and you would like some extra sort of setting on your T-zone. This is a really great neutral powder as well. I'm actually really excited to use this next product because I'm not usually a blush girl, I'm a bronzer girl, and I only have a couple of blushes in my collection. This is the Cashmere Pressed Blush in 02 Pink Lily. Packaging is very pretty. You know what? This could almost sit between a blush and a bronzer. It's quite a deep blush. It's not too pink, not too bright. So I'm taking their powder brush. Just going to go in gently because you just never know with a blush. Oh, that's pretty. I'm kind of going to use it like a bronzer. You don't need much. I'm literally going like dipping it in. And you see I've just gone a little too hard here. So I'm going to go in with some powder and just blend that little bit out. This is another reason why these mineral powders are great, because they're very forgiving and you can just kind of blend things out. I'm going to go into the eyes now. I'm just not sure what color this pencil is, so I kind of want to check that out before I go doing anything. It's kind of like a metallic color. Let me do a swatch on the back of my hand. So it's kind of like a light metallic bronze. So I was going to use some of that blush on my eyes, but I think I just want to do like a smoky wing with this and let it be the star of the show. Wow, you could almost use this as a highlighter or just even on the inner corner. How beautiful. It's nice and creamy. Wow, it's really silky. Okay, so I've just done that fairly messily. I'm just going to go in with that brush. More accurate wing going on here. I'm also going to bring that right into this tear duct here. Okay, so change of plans. I decided that this eyeliner pencil is so creamy and soft, and the color was just a little bit too light to get away with a wing. I don't feel like I was doing it justice because I felt like it just blended in too much. There was no sort of sharp line or anything to define the product itself. So I kind of just smudged it all over my lid and just giving me sort of a glossy sort of look with a hint of color, and I just blended it along my lower lash line as well. Now I'm going in with the Allure Defining Mascara. I love this brush because it really separates your lashes, and the formula is jet black. Boom! I have lashes. This would not be a makeup look by me without highlighter. I have the Beach Glow Liquid Highlighter, color Sunrise. Ooh, look at this. Pretty. Okay, I don't know how to approach this. Actually, what I might do is put some on the back of my hand. Then I'm going to use my finger to apply it. But so lightly, I don't know what we're dealing with here. Oh my goodness. Whoa. Okay, that is giving me some serious glow. It is quite a deep bronzy sort of highlighter. So if you have super pale skin, it may show up as color, but oh my God, look at that. Oh. And it sets really easily. Wow, I now feel complete. I'm actually just going to, I may ruin everything, but I'm going to tap a little bit of this on the center of my lid, being careful not to mess up what I've already done. unless you're using it on your eyes, on your eyelids, I probably would not suggest applying that with the applicator directly onto the skin because it's quite intense and it sets very quickly. Now I'm taking the Moisture Infusion Lip Gloss in the color Crimson Pink. Not usually a pink kind of girl, so this will be interesting. But it is a very pretty color for autumn. Oh, it smells really good. That's really nice actually because it's a gloss. It's just giving me a hint. Okay guys, so that's my super easy autumn makeup look using the Nude by Nature Autumn Makeup Kit. As I mentioned, I think they have sold out, but you can purchase the products I've used individually, so I will leave links down below for you. Please don't forget to subscribe for future tutorials, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up and hit that notification bell down below if you would like to see more videos coming up soon. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have an amazing week and I will see you again really soon. Bye!